Hey, I was sent this 2-pack of grabber tools. I'm going to demonstrate it and give you my thoughts. All right, here's the packaging that these come in. This is a 2-pack. These will fold for easy storing convenience, and to set it up, you just extend it out and bend it into place. Here's your trigger and your handle here. It's got a really smooth action. This is definitely better built than other grabbing tools that I've had in the past. The handle here is very comfortable. These clamp right down on each other, but they don't clamp too hard. On your clamps themselves, you got some rubber grips. This way, if you're taking a bottle or something out or something glass, this is going to provide extra grip so you don't drop it. You can also easily change the direction of your grabber depending on what you're trying to grab. All right, so I want to get in this pesky cupboard above my microwave. Instead of getting a stool out, I can simply grab my grabber. All right, we'll take this decoration off, open my doors. If I want this glass, I can easily grab it. And like I said, the rubber around here, this gives it a little bit more of a grip. I think this is awesome. I can grab other things. And I'm just pulling all of this out with ease. This way I'm not climbing on a chair or the countertop. This is definitely safer. If you're short or like me, I'm not getting up there with my own reach. I can simply use the grabber here. Let's try this box here. Works great for that. Another really cool feature of this is there's a magnet. That way, if you lose your car keys or you drop something down a drain or you're fishing for something under the couch, you can easily use the magnet to pick anything up that is magnetic. This has a 4-inch width, so that gives you some versatility on what you can pick up. Overall, I really like that this comes in a 2-pack. You can put one in the garage, one in the kitchen. I really like that they fold up and store easy. This can go in a cabinet or a cupboard or a drawer. You can also simply just hang it up on a hook. That way it's there, ready to go. This can also gently pick things up. Here's a tomato on the counter. I'm picking that up. I'm not damaging it. This is also awesome for picking things up on the ground. If you drop something or trash and garbage, this way you don't have to bend down and blow your back out when you're picking stuff up. You can easily pick up trash in your yard or wherever you want to do that. Overall, I think this is an awesome tool to have around the house. Helps you reach things up high, reach things down low. There's a very comfortable grip. It folds up for easy storage, and your grabber itself is very versatile and well made, has nice grips, and won't damage the material that you're picking up.